Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a spread in my classic sized happy planner, and I really wanted to just go back to the days where we used to put paper pad paper and stickers and washi and ephemera and all types of stuff in our happy planners. Did y'all used to do that in y'all's happy planners? I used to do that all the time in my happy planner, and then I just stopped. I started being more minimalistic with my spreads, but I wanted to, just put a bunch of ephemera on this spread, but also still make sure that it's functional. So just in case I do have some stuff going on throughout the week, I'll still have a little bit of space to write, but for the most part I wanted it to be as decorative as possible. So I think this spread, I found a good balance of that with this spread, but I really wanted to just use up the stuff that's in my stash. I feel like I say this in every video and then y'all see me post a haul, but so it's hypocritical, but I really want to start doing a better job of utilizing the stuff that's in my stash. So I have a bunch of Project Life core kits, I have a bunch of paper pads, I have so much washi that I don't know what to do with it. I have all this stuff, y'all, and I just really want to get rid of it, and I really want to use it up more quickly than what I'm doing, the rate at which I'm doing it. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. So I'm taking a bunch of paper pad stuff, paper, and I'm using this box punch that I also forgot that I had, but I bought the Happy Planner box punch a while back. Like, it's been a couple years at this point, and I just never use it because I stopped using paper pad paper in my planner. So I stopped using it, but I wanted to bring it back out, and I'm using this box punch to just punch a bunch of boxes, a bunch of paper. I'm using Project Life core kit cards, and I'm using paper from a bunch of paper pads that I bought from Michael's that are just sitting in here collecting dust. Fun fact, my box punch also had dust on it. I had to blow it off before I even see. Y'all, this is why I just need to, I just got too much stuff, y'all. I got way too much stuff in here, but it's fine. It's fine. I'm going to do kind of like a back to school theme for this planner, for this spread. I am not in school. I don't have any plans to return back to school. I don't have any kids, so there ain't no kids going to school around here. But I really just wanted to do a back to school theme because I have a seasonal core kit from Project Life, and there are a bunch of back to school themed cards in that core kit. So particularly that Argyle-ish looking card or box punch that I just had, and I just put down, it's on the right side of the page, but I really wanted to use that was like my primary focus for doing a spread like this. But I really just wanted to use up a bunch of these stickers, not stickers, but paper, all kinds of stuff. I wanted to use up stuff, so that's basically it. If you guys want Project Life stuff, I know that I don't know if Project Life is struggling right now or what, but the physical core kits, like the ones that you can actually hold in your hand, they're on their last leg right now. Like, it's hard to come by, but I think for the most part, word on the street, and don't take my word for it, but word on the street is you can find a bunch of Project Life stuff at Tuesday morning. If you have a Tuesday morning near you, go to Tuesday morning and see if you can grab some Project Life stuff. For the most part, they are not in Michael's anymore. They're not in Hobby Lobby. It's hard to come by at the major craft stores, but if you go to Tuesday morning, you'll be able to find some Project Life stuff. But other than that, that's basically it, y'all. Like, I just want to decorate this spread as much as possible, and yeah, that's it. Just use up as much stuff as I possibly can. So there is a Greek festival that's going on this weekend in Charlotte. I'm not sure if I actually want to go yet. I don't have nothing else going on, but I might go. So I wanted to, again, keeping in mind that I wanted to limit the amount of white space that I have on this spread, I wanted to put this down, like write out the Greek festival. It's called the Yasu Greek Festival, and I wanted to like make it as big as possible on this spread. And I'm using, y'all know my history when it comes to alpha stickers. It doesn't matter what spread that I have, I can never seem to get this right. Like, I can never get the spacing correctly. I can never get any of it right. But I decided to actually center it and then go from the middle out versus trying to, I don't know, I feel like do y'all know what I'm saying? Like, as far as Greek goes, I started with the middle E and then worked my way out to the word to get the spacing correct versus putting down the G and then putting down the K and then working my way in. Does that make sense to y'all? But I think that's the key. That's the major key that I've been missing with these alpha stickers from the history of this channel. Like, I feel like I can never get alpha stickers correct. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna stop talking about alpha stickers, but just know that I think I cracked the code, y'all. I think I cracked it. But I'm gonna write down Yasu Greek Festival in big letters, in big alpha stickers, and I'm very proud of myself. So I just want y'all to like watch me put this down because I'm proud of myself. So one other thing that I want to start doing with my spreads, or start back doing with my spreads, is layering. So I'm gonna take 2 stickers from the Colorful Boxes sticker book and I'm gonna layer them across one another just to get kind of a, I don't know, like a patterned effect. I don't know what you would call it, but I really wanted to play with the white space and just make sure that I'm using as much space as possible with my spreads. this is basically it. This is how the entire spread turned out. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Be sure to subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.